him no, I will never announce me regret it and Ungrateful we are disappointed. Me I will never be disappointed in him. I know say there's problem. But your opinion will him say problem or but until now is a problem no. And ya will be our no power. No more than throw then they can we. Mr. 2008, mumu bebre amo ewo ha na mo social media no mo ye toddlers. Omo ye nkwala, omo ye toto fifi. They don't know what really went on in 2008. And trust our co-found Mampeni, yes, Mampeni, we are Mansika. A critic incited some Ghanaians to hate Mampeni Kufuor. And so, baby, actually, now Mampeni Kufuor free or 2008. And the baby, I feel to be an omen. That time, no be all Yakwala, about 3 years, we do him the echo. We name the echo. Yano, dear Nella Merdo, near Fika Crunch, we saw what went on. The same thing, and Ungrateful, because the bee pepper went and the propaganda. And a situation a woman be any COVID by the amotre, abre, and your gun and con and ra. Me post 2 will be about Britain. And your Britain can come on my COVID by him. Affecting when you man in your man Montino, and near ma, already are 2 in place. I'm a Britain, or my catching for some title seat bet. If you say, and your mamu bed, Omo attitude to near mum said a bear on which me I recover economy. It made me confuse. Und oba me page ana obetro nkwase asem the best thing I may answer me blocko this time I mean time pa me we are comments no me come nyina true they make sure I will throw nkwase asem no disagreement is different from say disrespect any say oba ba attack be personally no so who disagree with me I'm any problem now oba attack me and then nyame adom suka bega ma me going to block you so I block you who create account for ba me blocko. So I said, to this time, me block Kufuor pa man can me boy. Say binimu enim nyansa. It would disagree, are fine. But oba na say oba yes oba nkwasi asem ba attack. Fine, I can block you, then I block you. Me nya time kra. Me no need time to argue. I just block you. Me block you as on social media. You me no share baby ah. Enti no say the meka no. Enya mo matem di DNA. Enya ma mo be ye no. It will not stop me anyway. The old drain or some me person in drain pa and can be a programmer. Come for telephone, no my friend from 1111. See, what I say, and the old drain, the mimi huno, I will come and talk about that. I care less about some people. Ghana, ya kasa ya can and your mama new. But a my ye di brunya crash Ghana. Shed your course. Yes, celebrating Christmas. Oh, Ghana, we saw what went on. Minim Ghana for said they ain't Ghana for it here. We complain about everything. Mampeni Kufuor na kan we complain about everything but we don't know the cost of everything but we complain it in anado is focus and I admire him na me bomb pie say Asem okai say the battle is the Lord's. The battle is indeed the Lord's. Na Yankopon a waka say the battle belongs to him regardless of how the storm is. I know the storm will be over. It will come to a timer. Oh nyama ye kan na nipa bebre na edi na tem no. They will come on this social media and apologize to the man. Just write it down. And the date, what the date to. Me saying and trolling Kufuor in some of them most of them will come. She said yeah, and Kufuor baby, you know, and then almost power man penny that Kufuor watch. Sana and Adon so there to come to a time. It who are now a young boy now they also now you say you hide behind social media. Now penny for now be do at on my time. A curse to you, and it will be cursed. Atem didie no be curse na dem no me be ba wo so wo be bre wo wabra bom sa wo hu ano so I say if say disagreement criticism e wo ho na wo ye wadwen say uti social media nti it will be curse now suffer now wo suffer no wo be suffer sa da bia me come say obi a onim nyansa wo social media no that person will not go bed hungry obi a onim nyansa no that person will not go to bed hungry. There were some of the young guys on social media, and in spite of the hardship in Ghana, no, omo atnase, e create bibi momo, and me papa woman, young woman 2 minister now we. I decided to travel abroad. Sankwasi Asem na ya ne biba habekano. Me pesa me chiro, me onu man, they stayed in abroad and they went back to Ghana. But omo call Ghana back, they are living. None of them is even willing to come to abroad anymore. What I see, sanity. It may a drew me time I can go to Ghana. So in 2 quires I come to Ghana. Ya woman Ghana, mini Ghana because school Ghana. We are mummy wabruchi. Me mana me ya womoha. Me angunu wabruchi. Jimbeza me chiro say Ghana no obiara betumi atena ho ene fisi ye wo ye mi hu da ya ka se Ghana e ho ye mreda mi hu bi da say afi we de Ghana if require nkroma time mi hu da ya ka se Ghana emre etuti ho afutu amede be ma na so wagimi na de da bia uti social media Ghana ye de atkoso tena ho obre will be your portion obe bresa obi amfa sika me so obutumu me politician bia amfa sika nche mabutu ani bia butum da yenya na ye ho so eteniam mu ye den kura entena ho emu ye den but don't sit there say emu ye den tin wo de obetena ho na da bia enya opani bia na discover be so obutumu. I'm telling you people mu you tena mo nam Ghana mu bebre mu nim nyansa ejama bi no mu ti abrochire ha o ma jimi o mo mpa aduma wo de o mo ati social media o mu di atem ya look at them omo keka criticize ga look at them wo de show omo stature na show omo we abrochira wote omo bra no aye ne ho basa ye ne tiri ho bibi na omo de nenam omo bra otitare abrofoto ho ena odidi onkopa adwuma nye amanfo sorry kopa adwuma abrochi onye bi titare abrofo ho adufudi opportunist sangrofo yes ani ma abrochi nya that is what they do. They don't work, they don't omo kopa adwuma like ya sorry anope ye kopa adwuma ye kopa bibia ya de aboa no omo bra otitara abrofo ho waye ne ho basabasa waye ni tiri ho bibi waye hyensom de waye no de nam omo bra enti no wono onim de ko omo bra ontua bills ontua hwe enti opportunist no de nam to onim abrabo no da bia na ni da obi so obi na mu ano abrabo we obi beboa wa na nso aboa ho bi o man yo no sa na tie eto obi a wami ni so obebo bra no onfo wani ntu obi so government no wo ho ye tu kwan ba abrochire no government na ye niema wa ha but obi a ni wa se bo tu kwan ba abrochire a wo ba ya na adwuma gu street mu akoye ye kope adwuma ene ye ne unya bibi na bosome so watu ya wodanka eti obi a tu kwan ba abrochire sa na tie government ne de wo ho ya ye akwan ya ye street ya ye we but sabi wuti fi akwan ni mfa sika mrew eti wo ba wo na wo kope adwuma no waye emu ya den sisen a una okopa adwuma no waye sa na ye na brochire omo etukwan ba brochire omo mo bra no omo tukwan ya sebe se wanfa no wan kotitare broni bia anya ni tiri hu basa te se bodamfo bia ne nam ho anya yi anya yi ya omo na omo sorry a no omo na ma brochire ene ye didi free ye say because onim obra bia se de ekọ onim adwuma se de nkrofo bra ekoye 16 hours ekoye how many hours enya bibidi so atiase sa na tie nti oman ni mu no omampani obey na from day but obi oti.
And I thank Honorable Damboche, the president, and also the cabinet for taking a swift decision on this and making sure, say, we do not allow these things into our country. Police ni emrama no kwan, police ni emra hye no, police ni ono na ewo tumi so obo ho ban. Now who the mrashe who won some other country and say, oh, be transfer, no be any say, and I will deal with you, I will do this. You are threatening a peace officer. As an MCE, oh, threaten peace officer because okay, say, oh, you're honorable. Honorable my foot. Honorable when you don't know the value of your honorable. And I don't blame anyone.